Good morning and welcome back. Today I'm going to finish off the sound deadening on the interior and start on the panelling in of the interior rear section. And also today, oh my goodness, my box is stuffed. Wow, look at all those goodies. So I'll show you what's in the boxes at the end of the video. Okay, let me show you where we're at. So I left you yesterday with me finishing off the sound deadening in the interior. I've still not done those wee bits in there, but anyway, I'm working on the back. So as you can see, the rear section is all soundproofed. All the little black lines are not actually gaps, it's just the black sponge you're seeing. I'll run round all the joins with some silver reflective tape just to make it look a bit neater, even though no one's going to see it. So I've still got the trunk area to do, but for today I want to start getting the panels cut at the sides and maybe one at the top and maybe one at the front. We'll see. I'm quite excited about this because it's going to make it so much quieter and more comfortable in here. So let's see the wood that we're going to be using. So I'm going to be using, I think this is 1/2 inch MDF. And I know you're thinking 1/2 inch is a bit overkill, but hey, I want to make this car as heavy as possible so that it doesn't go very fast. Nah, it should be fine. Better too strong than too soft. So I will transfer that over to the bench, take some measurements, find my jigsaw, I think it's up there, and start cutting and shaping. Right, my side panels are in, but I'm having a slight design change idea. Let me show you. Right, as you can see, side panels, they all fit nicely, lines up with the bars that I made, close enough to the floor. It's going to be carpeted anyway. Now, my plan was to build some sort of structure across there and then something at the front. But that seems like a lot of work when this is actually quite a nice space as it is. Obviously, I've got these panels up here to do. I would take my time with them because they've got to follow a funny curve around there. And the same on the other side. But if those panels are on at the top and this is all panelled, then I could just carpet everything back here. And instead of building some crazy structure to come out and down and hinge, how about something like a little treasure chest in here? What do you think? Save a lot of hassle and it would look cool, and I wouldn't be wasting space because I would have all this space if I wanted to fill it with stuff. I mean, I still get the trunk, but it would be kind of silly to have all that space that was kind of inaccessible. So I'm going to leave that there for now and let you guys share your ideas on that one. because as you know, I've got packages to unbox. Let's see what I got. You know, they say Christmas comes but once a year. Well, not if you're me and you've got the best subscribers on YouTube. And I did say, anything that you gave me or contributed, or if you were forced to watch all those annoying adverts on YouTube, everything goes back into the project, whether it be Bugsy, or if I happen to get another project in the future. That would be awesome. Don't worry, not selling Bugsy, but I would like another project at some point. Right, let us begin. Now, I kind of know what this one is, although I've kind of forgotten as well. This is from Mike Childs, who offered me some parts for Bugsy. And I, of course, said, yeah. Thank you, sir. So let me show you what he sent me. Oh, wow. Okay. Now, I did have a new light switch on my Amazon wish list, which Mike obviously noticed, and he just happened to have one. And it's even got a nice billet knob. Wow, that is nice. That looks brand new, Mike. Thank you very much. And all the wires and fantastic. Okay, what else? Rocket firing switch. I can't remember what I was going to use that for, but I'll find a use. That will be a little dome light. I wonder where I could put that. It's quite a small one, but I could put that. I'll find somewhere. That bracket, I don't know what that's for. I'll find out. What's this? Oh, now this is cool. This is a ignition switch. Now the one I've got was just a cheapie from Amazon, I think, and it's got tiny little keys. This one's got proper sized key, and I don't know what that thing is, but we'll get to that when we get to it. That looks way better than what I've got. Thank you very much. And okay, this is very cool. Oh, who knows what that is? I know what that is. I think, is that for the rear of the transmission where the yoke goes in? Which is quite handy because I think I've got a leak there. And to go along with the gearbox, he sent me a billet for the speedo drive with a gear. And okay, I don't know what that is. I think that maybe goes around that, I'm not sure. Let me know what that is. Isn't that amazing? I'll actually have a working speedo that doesn't leak out the bottom of the gearbox. Amazing! Thank you, Mike. That is really nice, that switch. Oh. You guys are sending me stuff faster than I can fit them. Excellent. Okay. We'll do the big one next. I have a feeling I know what this is, and I'm so excited about this. I'm going to cut this very carefully. Oh yes. Oh yes. I'll read the note first. A gift note from Mark Dolan. Happy birthday, Dave, from Mark and Lisa. Sorry. I met actually Lisa when I first came to Canada in Shoppers Drug Mart, and then obviously Mark is her husband, and they've just been friends since we got there. Nice people. And actually their son is one of my son's best friends. You know what I mean. Wait till you see this. Isn't that the coolest? Amazing. I love it. Oh, Canada. Oh my goodness. I don't know why that one's got me quite so emotional. The whole Canada thing. Happy to be here. Okay. One more. I think this is actually from my lovely wife. Remember I said there was 4 parts to her gift? This will be part 4. I'm not even going to tell you what this is, you're going to have to work it out. It's a bag of oh dear, Mr. Emotional. So it is okay, see if you can figure out what they're for. I won't be using all of them, but answers on a postcard. Right, I need to go and get a tissue and just get rid of this cold that I seem to have got all of a sudden. Oh, there's another thing from Mike. That would be it's a switch. Oh right, interior light switch. That's what that could be. Okay, right, enough of that. Thank you very much, Mike. He's in Vail, Oregon. Mark and Lisa are round the corner. And my wife's up the stairs working hard, so I better do the same. Amazing. Thank you, everyone. Love you. Right, before I finish off for today, let's jump inside, shut the doors, start it up, see if there's any noticeable audio difference, shall we? Let's go. Okay, let's start with an echo test. Do we have an echo? Do we have an echo? It's hard to tell. I mean, it's not hard to tell. Obviously, it's better than it was, but we'll see what the engine running sounds like, shall we? Of course, the hard bit is going to be. Do you think you can hear me any better? Obviously, the exhaust is really loud, but let me know if you can hear me without me shouting. It's hard to tell, isn't it? We'll go for a drive tomorrow, maybe, and get a proper sound test. But for now, that's me. We're done for today. Thanks again to Mike Childs and, of course, Mark and Lisa for my awesome gifts today. Just fantastic. Thank you so much. And remember, voting is still ongoing for Bugsy for the Boss International Car Show. I'll put a link at the bottom. And I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. Oh, quick shout out. Guy called Taylor, brand new YouTuber and new subscriber to the channel. He has got a 1941 Ford Rat Rod truck. Could do with a bit of help from you guys, because I told him that you guys were awesome and you would jump on his channel and help him out. He's got 9 subscribers. Come on, guys, give him a bit of a boost and a bit of support. Yeah, that's all. Okay, as you were. Bye.